Hello everyone, my name is Fathir Hakim Mahfuzh with my name is 19250014. Today I am very excited to present to you an essential topic in the digital world, computing infrastructure, specifically focusing on hardware, software, and operating system. So let's dive in. First, let's discuss our first main topic, hardware. Think of this as the body or the physical foundation of any computer system. So, what exactly is hardware? Simply put, hardware refers to the tangible components, the parts you can actually touch. It is the physical equipment designed to accept input, process calculation, and show us the output. Remember, without the hardware, software will have no place to live or run. We can categorize hardware into three main groups. 1. Input device, like your keyboard and mouse, which we use to give commands. 2. Processing and storage, like the CPU or the brain of the computer. And the SSD where we save our files. 3. Output device, like the monitor or speakers, which translate digital code into something we can see or hear. Now that we understand the physical parts, let's move to the second topic, software and operating system. If hardware is the body, then software is the intelligence. Software is generally divided into two types. System software or the operating system. This is the boss that manages the hardware. And application software. These are the programs we use every day for specific tasks, like Microsoft Office for work or Chrome for browsing the web. Applications cannot run without the operating system. Why is the operating system or OS so important? First, it acts as a resource manager, deciding which app gets to use the CPU or memory. Second, it provides the user interface, giving us icons and windows, so we don't have to type complex code. Lastly, it handles security and communicates with external devices through drivers. There are three major players in the OS world today. First one is Windows, the most popular for business and gaming. 2. Mac OS, known for its stability and beautiful design, preferred by many creative professionals. And lastly, there is Linux, an open source system that powers most of the world's servers and clouds because it is very flexible and secure. So, to summarize our discussion today, there is a famous principle in computing. Hardware is essentially just an empathy vessel. It is the software that breathes intelligence, logic, and purpose into the machine. So you cannot have one without the other. So that includes my presentation for today. I hope this gives you a clearer understanding on how hardware and software work together to power our modern life. Thank you so much for your attendance. Thank you so much for your attention. Goodbye and see you next time. Bye bye.